In a shocking and gruesome incident, a 24-year-old woman was brutally murdered at an Airbnb residence in Nairobi, Kenya. This disturbing event took place near TRM Mall, along TRM Drive in Roysambu, adding to a growing list of violent incidents associated with Airbnb properties in the city. This tragedy closely follows the murder of socialite starlet Wahoo, who was also killed at an Airbnb, located in South B Estate, with the main suspect being John Matara. The back-to-back nature of these crimes has raised serious concerns about safety and security at short-term rental properties in Nairobi. According to sources close to the investigation, the young woman was not just stabbed but also gruesomely chopped, with some of her body parts reportedly being stuffed into a paper bag. The horrific nature of the crime has sent shockwaves through the local community and has prompted an intense investigation by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations (DCI) officers from Kasarani. The incident has raised alarms about the safety protocols and background checks implemented by Airbnb and similar services. Questions are being asked about the measures in place to ensure the security of both guests and hosts, and whether these platforms are doing enough to prevent such tragic events. The community around TRM Mall is in shock and mourning, grappling with the brutality of the attack and the loss of a young life. The murder has ignited a public outcry for stricter regulations and oversight of short-term rental properties, with calls for Airbnb and other platforms to take more responsibility for the safety of their users. As the investigation progresses, residents and authorities alike are waiting for answers and justice. The murder of the 24-year-old woman is not just a singular tragedy, but a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities that can exist in seemingly safe spaces and the need for heightened vigilance and security measures in all forms of accommodation. This is a developing story. Continue following the Kenya News Channel to get updates.